going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. This app, Pogo, it's very easy to use. You're going to get paid just off every purchase that you make. You're going to get points for every purchase. It'll show up here in your Pogo account. And you see here, all you got to do is claim it. All you got to do is push claim. The points automatically go into your account. It is that easy to use. It'll just show you over the past few days, whatever, all the purchases you made. The bigger the purchase is, the more points you get, but you'll get a minimum of 2 points for every purchase that you make. You can also scan receipts. You just put the scan receipt here. You get 10 points for every receipt that you scan, which is equivalent to 1 cent. I'm telling you, it might be 1 cent, it might be little, but it does add up fast with just the points and the receipts. You can cash out in no time. So let that load up. And you see there, I got 10 points. You can keep scanning, get a bonus for that. You will need to hook up your debit card. So you go here to accounts, link your debit card. That way I can tell the purchases that you made. Is very simple to do. And you will need a minimum of $3 in order to cash out. They have the Visa, PayPal, or the Visa prepaid, the gift cards, and the PayPal you can use. Like I say, you need a minimum of $3 to cash out. And the cash outs are instant. You don't have to wait at all. It goes right into your PayPal account, or you get the gift card sent to your email immediately. So I just want to leave the link to sign up with this app in the description. Like I said, it's very easy to use. You're going to get points based off all your purchases. So you really don't have to do much with this app besides go into it and claim your points. It doesn't get much easier than that. Cash out at a minimum of $3, instant payouts. All right. So like I said, link is in the description. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.